big bones. Like elephant's bones.
Okay, so you're not chunky chicky monkey, you're chunky chicky elephant.
Well, no, that's not what we meant, is it? No. She's putting words in our mouth, isn't she? I don't know what to say about that.
Go on, headbutt Daddy.
You don't have to. Not unless, of course, you want to. Well, be careful of Daddy, because it hurts on the nose. It does.
Hey, chunky chicky monkey. Go to sleep now, please. Hey, Daddy, look. I'm growing my hair. When will you grow yours?
Did you hear what Mum said? It's not nice, is it? Daddy will cry.
Poor Daddy.
What's that then? What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's new, pussycat?